John Boo's block CCB18's classic end grain butcher block measures 18 inches long, 18 inches wide and is 4 inches thick. Made in the USA, each John Boo's butcher block and cutting board is proudly made in Effingham, Illinois by skilled craftspeople using time-honored techniques since 1887. Chopping block is made from sustainably sourced, hand-selected solid northern hard rock maple wood, widely recognized as one of finest, most durable food preparation surfaces in the world. Features iconic and durable end grain construction. All John Boo's blocks and cutting boards are designed to meet the durability and food safety requirements of culinary professionals. Classic collection chopping blocks are meant for daily countertop use and storage and are not reversible. Antimicrobial, John Boo's northern hard rock maple contain naturally occurring enzymes that kill bacteria. Mechanical Science and Engineering Research Study, 2019, U of Illinois. Regular application of Boo's oil and cream provide an additional barrier, forcing bacterial fluids to bead up and reduce interaction time with the board. Care/warranty. John Boo's offers a 1-year guarantee against defects in workmanship and materials. To care for your Boo's board, hand wash and dry, not dishwasher safe. Apply John Boo's mystery oil regularly, more often in dry climates and